Have you ever stood in the supermarket aisle, overwhelmed by a wall of food choices? We've all been there. Deciphering nutrition labels might seem daunting, but it's a skill worth mastering. Think of it as your secret weapon for making informed food choices that benefit your health and well-being. These labels provide a wealth of information about what's inside the package, empowering you to make healthier decisions for yourself and your family. Just like you wouldn't buy a car without checking its mileage, you shouldn't put food in your shopping trolley without understanding its nutritional value. By learning to read nutrition labels effectively, you become a savvy shopper, capable of identifying foods that align with your dietary goals. Whether you're watching your sugar intake, managing your weight, or simply striving for a balanced diet, nutrition labels are your trusty guide. So let's embark on this journey together. We'll break down the jargon, demystify the numbers, and equip you with the knowledge to navigate the world of nutrition labels with confidence. First things first, where do you find this treasure trove of information? Almost every packaged food item comes with a nutrition facts label, typically found on the back or side of the packaging. This label is your window into the nutritional composition of the product. Think of the nutrition facts label as a map. At the top, you'll usually find the serving size and servings per container. This information is crucial because all the numbers below it are based on this specific serving size. Next, you'll encounter the calories section, which tells you how much energy the food provides per serving. Remember that if you consume multiple servings, you'll need to multiply the calories accordingly. Moving down the label, you'll find a breakdown of key nutrients, both beneficial and those you might want to limit. We'll delve deeper into understanding these nutrients in the following sections. Let's start with the foundation serving size. The serving size is a standardized amount of food, helping you compare the nutritional value of different products. It's usually measured in cups, grams, or pieces. However, be mindful that the stated serving size may not always align with your typical consumption. For instance, a serving of cereal might be listed as 30 grams, but you might pour yourself a larger bowl. In such cases, it's essential to adjust the calorie and nutrient values accordingly. Calories provide a measure of the energy content of food. Your daily calorie needs depend on various factors, including your age, gender, activity level, and overall health goals. By comparing the calorie content of different foods, you can make choices that align with your individual needs. Now let's unravel the mystery of the nutrient breakdown. You'll typically see a list of nutrients, including total fat, saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, sodium, total carbohydrate, dietary fiber, total sugars, added sugars, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Fat. Aim for healthier fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, while limiting saturated and trans fats, which can raise bad cholesterol levels. Sugars. Pay close attention to added sugars, which contribute to calorie intake without providing essential nutrients. High sodium intake is linked to high blood pressure. Aim for low sodium options. Fiber. Fiber is your friend. It aids digestion, promotes satiety, and offers various health benefits. Vitamins and minerals. Look for foods that provide a good source, at least 15% of the recommended daily value of essential vitamins and minerals. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate any nutrient group entirely, unless advised by a healthcare professional, but to strike a balance and make informed choices that support your overall health and well-being.